come closer. Okay. I'm gonna tell you the secret, the one trick to inventory, okay? But first, I need you to sign this. This is a non-disclosure agreement, okay? Here, here, here. Then you just sign here. It's actually a couple pages. And then, well, just here. Freeze frame that. Good. And then you take a picture of that, send it to me, and then we can talk. Did you do that? Here's the secret. You have to keep track of your stuff. I'm James, that's Whiteboard Wednesday. No. Okay, come back. But really, that is the secret. You have to keep track of your stuff. And I know what you're thinking. No duh. And a lot of people, the way they keep track of stuff, starting out, it's just fine. They have their little Post-it note, or they have some paper, and they put it in their folder, and they keep track of it, and then they put that maybe in a filing cabinet, and they have also some spreadsheets with customer names, or maybe they're receiving stuff, invoices, etc. And it all goes in that folder, and that's how you keep track. And then you leave little notes, and it's actually, as silly as it sounds, it's pretty common. We see it a lot. But you still have to keep track of your stuff. And you can see, though, how quickly this just becomes a mess. If you need to find something, if there's a recall and you have to look up a part, if you need to know what invoice you received or what you sent out or a purchase order, sales order, and on and on and on. But you still got to keep track of your stuff. I mean, that's the secret between moving forward in business or looking for stuff. So, really, what is the secret? It's how do you track your stuff as fast and easily as possible? Well, I can tell you, it's definitely not with this stuff. This is better than nothing. But if you have a software solution, now you can track your stuff, and maybe with just a click of a button, you're sending stuff out, you're receiving items, you're able to look up purchase histories, vendor orders, and on and on. And it's right there. And now you're tracking stuff without having to keep the stuff. So, what's the secret? Did you sign that NDA? You just track your stuff. It's that simple. I'm James, and this really is Whiteboard Wednesday.